PayPal is an American multinational financial technology company operating an online payment system in the majority of countries that support online money transfers and serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods such as checks and money orders. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your PayPal account. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and search for the app PayPal. After that, tap on the Get option to download the app, and once the app has been downloaded in your device, open it. Now you'll be able to see an option, Login. Tap on it. To log in, you need to enter your email address or phone number. After that, enter the password and then tap on Login. And that's it. You'll be logged into your PayPal account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.